Hey guys, this is the Part-Time Economist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart with free open source software called Open Office Calc. So let's jump right into it. On the left hand side we have our labels. In this case I'm using countries, but it could be models of cars, it could be states of the United States, it could be people's names, it doesn't really matter. And then on this right hand side I have my data. So let's just say that I am a teacher in a university and I have 1 student from the United States, 2 from France, 3 from Italy, and 5 from Mexico. Now if I want to make a graph with this, it's really easy. Make sure that you highlight the label and the data. This is going to be important because OpenOffice is automatically going to label our chart for us. So make sure that you click all of this and then come right up here to this simple chart icon, right? The cool thing is that this is going to give us a preview so we can automatically see what kind of chart we are going to have. So let's go to the pie chart because that's what we're talking about today. And right here you can see your basic, easy to understand, simple pie chart. You know, this is already a good start, but let's spice it up a little bit and click the 3D look for our pie chart. Now, there's some other things we can do. We can explode all of the slices of the pie chart. We can do a lot of different things, but for ours, let's just start with a basic 3D pie chart so I can show you guys a lot of the different features that you can do. So, we click finish and here is our chart, right? Now, the interesting thing about this chart is there's at least 3 different layers to the chart. And what I mean by that is if you click once, we get these green handles on the outer part of the chart. And I'm going to call that the frame of the chart. So we're off the chart. Let's click once and we are editing the frame. So right click and we can change a couple different things. We can change the line. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's make a continuous. And you know what, let's go crazy and give it a pink border. We're going to make it really thick just so it's easy to see. Now you could change all of these other things. That's just a matter of you getting in there and playing with it. So let's give it a pink border. Alright, we have that. That's on the first layer. So that was just a single click that allowed us to edit that. Now let's go to double clicking, right? And we can see that we don't have those green squares anymore. Now we're editing the chart itself. So some of the things we can do with 2 clicks is insert a title. So let's put students, students by country. Okay, so there's our title, and again we can click the title, we can move it around, whatever we need to do, but let's just leave it there for now. So again, back to 2 clicks, and there's other things we can do. We can format this white area on the background of the chart. We can change this area. So let's click that. Let's go to area. Let's change this to, again, a really bright green, and we can even add a little bit of transparency. And then let's click OK. So it's giving us a nice background instead of just that white. So 1 click, let's review. 1 click gives us the green and lets us change this pink line. 2 clicks lets us change this fill color and it lets us put a title. And then let's go with 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. And now we are actually in the pie itself, right? We can change different things about the pie. So let's say that we see this dark green area, the Mexico area, is almost 50% of our sales. So let's say that we want to break that off from the rest of the pie chart to highlight how important this area is, right? So let's just click on it and we see that this green area has the green squares all around it. Now just pull it away from the pie chart and now it's the own separate area. We can do a lot more with this too. We can right click and we can format the data point. So we can add the transparency. We can make it almost, let's make it almost see-through, and then let's go ahead and change the color to something a little bit more exciting. Yeah, let's go with this magenta here. Okay, so now we can see that we changed the color, we changed the transparency, and even our label, our legend automatically updated. There's a lot more you can do with this. You can rotate the pie chart to look at it from the side, from the top. As I showed earlier, you can make it look like a donut. There's a lot of different stuff you can do, but honestly, this is a good basic understanding, and this is going to get you well on your way to making some nice, impressive charts for whatever project you're working on. This is the Part-Time Economist. I hope the video has been useful, and I will see you next time.